painter's tape, scissors, and a glue stick if you want to secure overlapping paper bits. Glue the tape onto the table and then just start to add small bits of paper onto it. Paper cut with horizontal clean cuts will work best, but ripped edges can also be used. Just mind the gaps. And if you overlap paper, take a glue stick and secure the paper before you forget. You can have the strips the same width, or you can mix thick and thin strips. If you need a belly band or tuck spot for a journal, and that project got a color scheme, then you can sort your scraps into color-coordinated piles. Once done covering the painter's tape, make sure the paper is stuck, and then you just clean the edges using your scissor. The paper bits you cut off can most likely be used for making more scrap strips. If you get inspired and add this to a project, remember to tag Circus Valley on Instagram and Twitter. And on YouTube you can write a comment. If you want to make a larger paper, more like a masterboard, just glue the tape with slight overlapping edges so they stick onto each other. After that it is same as single strips. Add the paper you got at hand and do not try to plan the outcome. Most of the time the unexpected look will give you a nice result. You can use glossy magazines and drawings you have made. You can use gift wrapping paper, postcards, newspapers, even fabric. In the next video, a glossy catalogue from a fabric and curtain shop is used to make pretty strips. You can do a test on the smallest paper scraps you got. No thinking. Just doing. Or gluing. It is just paper that would go into trash bin. So no harm in trying. If you do not like it, you are just out of a strip of painter's tape and a bit of time. I hope you got inspired and want to try this. Almost finished. Now this can be stored until it is needed for a project. About this video. My name is Beatrix. And I am the virtual voice assistant. And you will hear my voice in many of the shorter videos. Hope you had fun. And please share what you make.